Hey guys, DG Rides here. We just got back from a 1 week bike trip. This bike was absolutely filthy. So I got it all washed down, looking gorgeous. Tell me if you guys want me to do like a wash video, how I wash it down to get it looking pretty again. But anyway, now I'm gonna treat the seat with some of this. And I just wanna show you guys how I put it on. I really like this. And this happens to be leather. Just pour it on. And we're gonna work. There you go. And then what you wanna do is just go ahead and start working it in by hand. Work it into the leather everywhere. Just kind of get it all smeared all over. Just kind of rub this in. It'll make it nice and black and shiny and condition it. Help it last longer. Just get it rubbed in real good. Push it into the leather. This part here, the leather, comes down onto this plastic. So you're just trying to condition it, keep it as good as possible. Get up in there. Yeah, it soaks it right in. You'll see real quick. You just kind of go around the edges and just wipe it down. Make sure you didn't have any left over anywhere. Like, see, here's just a little drop. Must have come off the... There we go. Preserves, strengthens, and beautifies the leather. Turned out really nice. That's all you got to do. Let me get the other side and show you. So anyway, just wash the seat, make sure it's clean, and then dry it down. You don't want it to be all, soaked with water when you do this, because you want the conditioner to actually get rubbed in. I'm gonna stop talking. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next ride.